Fire, the first great leap forward for humanity. This simple, crackling flame was more than just warmth and light. It was survival, and the start of an adventure that would span millennia. It brought us together, helped us ward off predators, and gave us the courage to explore further. It wasn't just a tool, it was the seed of human progress. And from that moment, our ancestors began to shape the world in ways no one could have imagined. From fire, we moved to the wheel so simple, yet revolutionary. It didn't just move objects, it moved civilizations. With every turn, roads stretched longer, journeys became faster, and trade blossomed between distant lands. But that wasn't the end. In 1440, the printing press came into existence, and suddenly, knowledge had wings. It didn't belong to the elite anymore. Ideas were shared across oceans and borders, sparking revolutions of thought, science, and philosophy. Entire generations were inspired, and minds that would one day change the world began to dream. Then came the Industrial Revolution. Machines roared to life, transforming how we lived and worked. It was a time of great promise and great challenge. Cities grew, wealth increased, but so did inequality and hardship for many. Yet even in the darkest of factories, hope persisted. People dared to ask, what else can we create? What is next? And what came next? The digital age. From the smallest microchip to the power of artificial intelligence. Today, we stand at the edge of something as profound as fire was to our ancestors. AI is more than just lines of code. It's a reflection of our creativity, our problem-solving, and ultimately our desire to push beyond the limits of what's possible. But here's the thing. Every great invention, from fire to AI, was born from the same spark, the spark of curiosity, the drive to make life better, easier, and more connected. In every age, there were dreamers, innovators, and risk-takers. They didn't have all the answers, but they dared to ask the questions. And that's where the true adventure lies, not just in the invention, but in the discovery. As we look forward to the future, we realize that the story of human innovation is far from over. What will we create next? What boundaries will we push? What impossible dreams will become tomorrow's reality? Maybe the answer is in the spark that lives within all of us. Join us on this journey, because every invention starts with a question. What will you create?